What's going on, guys? We're out here at Mark's place. Long story short, someone texted Mark saying that they found a clean Z32 in a junkyard, so we're about to go pick it apart today. So we're gonna go get some sick parts. Hopefully I can grab some stuff for the daily, for the drift car. Also, Mark wants to grab a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, that's the plan today. Mark's out here with his 240.
That's a bucket.
Rust bucket.
Post is up. It's for sale as a shell, a rusty shell. You get the body. That's it. I'm taking the lights, take the subframe, front and rear. I think I'm gonna leave the steering shaft, taking the wiring, everything. I need it for another car. So if not, it's gonna get scrapped and that'll be it. Have a good life.
Shells for sale. All right, we gotta head out. I'm late, per usual.
Yo!
You guys check that out. They can check that out. I'm checking out all this shit right here. This is all I care about. Word. Word. Shoddy. What do we got here, Mark?
I have a flashlight. The intercooler piping's here.
Yeah, it's in there. It's in the car.
Turbo manifolds are here.
Take the turbo manifolds off for sure.
Phase 1 gas. Yeah.
No exhaust. Exhaust is gone.
Picus unit.
Yeah. Maps got
Ah, cocksuckers.
Alright, nose panel.
Yeah,
Kinda
take
want
that.
take it.
Definitely take that. This, yeah, dude, look how mint this is. I'm definitely buying it. That is a mint. Oh my God. I'm getting this. Dude, this wing is so sick. If you guys could only understand how mint this freaking car is, it's ridiculous.
Oh fuck. No rot.
Yeah, I know. It's clean as fuck. All right, guys. So this is what's going on right now. So we went. We looked at that car. The car is super clean, like the shell, everything. The only thing is it does not have a subframe. We don't know what's up with the twin turbo motor. We have no idea. Most the turbos are off. The manifolds are still there. There's one blow off valve, things like that. But we don't really know what we're trying to do. So now we're kind of we're trying to coordinate like what's actually going on, because there's some parts that I want. And then there's like, I'm not trying to, yeah, there's some parts that he wants, and then obviously what Robbie wants, but like, I'm not trying to get into a build either, so it's tough right now. We're in a tough predicament. So Robbie's on the phone right now trying to see if we can get the shell transported. If we can, then we'll probably go from there. So that's what we're doing right now. Tell him what's the plan.
We're buying a Z.
Oh my God.
With no rear subframe, questionable twin turbo motor, questionable twin turbo transmission. Lots of really cool body parts.
Yeah, we gotta go somewhere else. So we'll tell him we'll be right back. We just gotta run to the ATM. But yeah, so well.
Let's get it done.
You excited? You're nervous. He's like, I just want to get this done.
Yeah.
So, as a Z-Bruhz team, we just purchased this lady here.
As a team, guys.
As a team. Yeah, we purchased this as a team. This is not a single-handed effort. Yeah, what does it say? Stay humble though. Stay humble. Yeah, I mean, stay humble, guys. But yeah, no, that you guys, this is such a clean shell. I'm still astonished. I'm still astonished of how clean this thing is. So it's gonna be sick. So basically what we're gonna be doing with this is any parts that we're not using, we will be parting out. So if you guys need any parts, hit us up in the comments down below. But the shell is actually going to be for Robbie. So he's actually gonna be using this shell, which is freaking awesome because it is so clean. There's no rust, like it's ridiculous. So yeah, so I mean, like I said, we have a twin turbo motor, transmission. It's ridiculous. So we're pumped. It's gonna be so sick. We got this for super cheap. Freaking still in front end, clear fogs, or clear turns. We got little eBay special tails. It's no joke. It's a sick car. How pumped are you guys right now? So, and it's got full interior. Full interior.
Yeah, boy.
It's ridiculous. This thing is no.
Twin turbo stock, freaking shock actuators, whole nine. This is a nice little rig here.
This is a find, man. This was a diamond in the rough.
The heads look like they got some work done. They're
yeah.
wicked clean inside there. Hold on, let me.
Look at that.
Well, hitting on cam, but the heads themselves, ooh, boy.
So, it's nice. And like usually on Z's, what you'll figure out is see all this like pickup here. This usually rusts out the fender, but these are clean, like looking under it and everything. And then coming on over here, these rust out too, and nothing. So there is no rear subframe, but we are gonna work on that because we have a couple more cars that we know where to go get one. So.
Oh, they filled in the freaking.
Oh yeah, they did. That's why.
Look at that.
Yeah, they filled in the antenna. That's great. They could have sanded down a little bit better, but that's great, dude. This car, dude, this shell. Yeah.
A lot of car left. If I decide to use this shell, put turbo parts on this, it'll be a stock twin turbo car.
True. That's true. Yeah. This is so sick. I'm so happy. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at. So it comes with the clear turns. The bumper is, I mean, it is kind of beat up. It's got cracks and stuff, but I mean, put a little fiberglass, a little bit of work into it, it'd be a brand new freaking still-in bumper. So it's sick. This is, like I said, this is no joke. This thing, we're pumped. We're excited. So we definitely got it for a steal. Can't be any happier than that.